Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, in Windows 10, there are some troubleshooters. And of course, I will be doing some Windows 10 videos also, as I promised to, and the majority of people are still on Windows 10. So I think it is very useful to do Windows 10 videos for you guys also. So on Windows 10, troubleshooters, where are they? And is there enough for anybody? Of course, I showed the troubleshooter list in Windows 11. There's a lot of them. There's quite a lot in Windows 10 too. Not as many, but I think it probably has troubleshooters for most of what is problems that can pop up within a operating system. Once again, troubleshooters are, like maybe 50-50 chance of fixing anything, but you never know. And troubleshooters might actually be something that's going to help you get back with something that's not working right. So in Windows 11, when you go to your Start menu and then go to the Settings app, go into Update and Security. And on the left side, you'll see Troubleshoot. Here you have what is kind of different in the way that it looks compared to Windows 11, but you do have, if you go down here, additional troubleshooters. When you click there, you will have the list of troubleshooters that you can actually run. And the way it works is you click on one of them, and once you click on it, you have the Run the Troubleshooter button. And you just follow the instructions or wait for it to give you a diagnostics of what could be wrong or not and how it works. So you have internet connectivity, you have audio, printer, and Windows Update. Probably the most common problems for most people. And then you have, of course, Bluetooth connection to workspace, incoming connections, the keyboard, network adapter, which, by the way, is part of your internet. So if something is wrong, maybe the network adapter could be a problem. Program compatibility, troubleshooter, recording audio, and so on, video playback, and the Windows Store apps. So that means that this is the place where you will find a troubleshooter maybe for something that's not going right on your PC. Remember, it can reset some of the settings. So that means that you will have settings that might actually be reset to 0, including, for example, on internet access, it could be your Wi-Fi password that's gone. So you'll need to reconnect to your home Wi-Fi, remember your password so you can connect to it. But the troubleshooters are here. It's funny to note that they're in a different space in Windows 10 because in Windows 11, the troubleshooters seem to be in the System tab, where in Windows 10, the troubleshooters is in the Windows Update or the Update and Security tab, which is kind of weird. And I think it is a better place in System to have them, but they change things around between both operating system 11 and 10. So if you have any issues, you can try that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.